Hey guys, so you just opened your latest Vinted package and it's not exactly what you expected. Returning items on a peer-to-peer app like Vinted is a bit different than standard online stores, and there's an incredibly strict deadline you cannot miss. So let's discuss. So first things first, do not click that everything is okay button. If you click it, Vinted immediately releases your cash to the seller and you lose your buyer protection completely. You have an inflexible 48-hour deadline from the exact minute the package is marked as delivered to flag a problem. So you open up your Vinted app, go into your messages, and tap your conversation screen with the seller. Look right at the top of the transaction box and tap the icon or button "I have an issue." This pauses the order in the background so Vinted holds onto your funds while you sort things out. Next, Vinted will ask why you're requesting a return. So, if the item simply doesn't fit you or change your mind, the seller is not obligated to accept a return. You'll have to message them politely and hope they are feeling generous. But if the item arrives broken, stained, fake, or is completely mislabeled, select Not as described. From there, you must type out a clear description of the problem and upload clear photo proof of the flaws or damage. Once you submit, your payment stays securely on hold while you and the seller work out the solution. And if a return is agreed upon, you have exactly 3 days to ship the item back. Vinted will either generate a shipping label or provide instructions on how to send it. So that is it. Also guys, don't forget to always keep your receipts. Enjoy. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe.